Meanwhile, Malacanang maintains that it is not singling out Filipino boxing icon and Sarangani representative Manny Pacquiao in going after his tax deficiencies. According to Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, Pacquiao was given more than ample time to comply with the requirements of the Bureau of Internal Revenue.
This is not about him alone or others that are actions that are not being done. Because you've seen the Bureau of Customs na every other week nagfa-file po sila ng charges. Ang BIR din po every other week nagfa-file ho ng charges. So this is not, again, this is not to single him out. As the President said, why would be harassment? As Commissioner Henares has said, Congressman Pacquiao was given ample time, more than ample time to comply with not just the summons of the BIR but with other requests for the submission of documentation.